Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel accounting paper. The question number 1, part B of the question. In the earlier part we had prepared the profit and loss statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December 2025. The directors of Homecraft PLC are required to prepare a director's report at the end of the financial year. Evaluate the usefulness of a director's report produced at the end of the financial year. Is director's report useful or not is the question. Here, what are the 4 points for the director's report? Director's report will give information about the company. Okay, it is going to give information about the company. Okay, it's going to give information about the company. That means to all the stakeholders. Okay, they will they will give information to the stakeholders of the business. Stakeholders of the business can be employees, shareholders, pressure groups. Okay, all those people are the stakeholders. So for example, the shareholders, okay, they will use, okay, they can use to make a decision, for example, whether to invest more funds in the company or not, and they are also assured that the company is acting in an ethical manner because they are giving out information. Okay, the director's report is giving out information about the company. Now information is given to the shareholders which allows them to see how the company is performing. For example, you can see the principal activities of the business and the market which it supplies. Then you can also have a review of the financial position of the business. You also get the balance sheet, okay, events and any relevant future developments. You will also get the information about the directors and other interests of the directors. You can see the employee involvement in the business. You can also see disabled employee policy of the business or any political or charitable donations and creditor payment policies. So amongst this you can name a few whichever you remember. So you have to say certain principal activities of the business, for example financial position and balance sheet, name of the employees and directors will be given in the information. If you state that much, that is also enough. So when you have that information and the markets in which they are performing and what is the markets in which they are operating and how they are going to use those supplies, all those information, okay, will help the shareholders to invest more in the company. Then other stakeholders, for example pressure groups. The pressure groups will use the information in the report to understand how the disabled staff are employed, whether they are paid enough or treatment or they are having certain facilities or not. So these will be also assessed by the pressure groups. Then and they can decide whether to protest or support the company. Then there are also they will give information about the legislation pending that will affect the company. So they have to give information if they have any lawsuits pending under the raw stock exchange regulations. So the shareholders may choose in that case not to invest in the company if there is a legislation going on, or they can understand if that is not going to affect the company much, then they will still invest in the company even though a legislation is going on. So these are the points, the information like legislation, how the company is performing, what is the principal activities of the business, the market in which it operates, how does it treat the employees, especially the disabled employees, what is the creditor payment policies. Okay, all such information will be used by the stakeholders to understand whether they can invest in the company, they can work for the company, they could protest against the company from the pressure groups, or they could support the company. So like that they will use those information. What is the case against the director's report? The report costs personal time to prepare, which has financial implications. So first there will be personal time of the directors will involve. So it might incur some costs, okay, taken by the cost paid to the directors. Extra cost will be involved if you have to print those as a hard copies, okay. So to the shareholders, if you have to make it available as a hard copy, then extra cost will involve. And also sometimes the directors will try to window dress. That means they will try to provide unrealistic positive view. Okay, they will say everything is very good about the company, and as it is in their interest to do so, because they are working for that company, so they will provide unrealistically positive view of the company. So that can also happen. In that case, the shareholders decisions might go, okay, the stakeholders decision will not be correct, okay, for investment and other purposes. So but in conclusion, you can say the director's report is useful for the stakeholders. So this is how you will answer for the question, evaluate the usefulness of a director's report produced at the